Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square for retail with AI demand predictions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Square for retail account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Items tab on the left-hand menu. Select Inventory to manage your stock. Locate the demand prediction feature within the inventory settings. Click on Enable AI demand predictions to activate the feature. Review the setup requirements and ensure your inventory data is accurate. Follow the prompts to integrate your sales history with the demand prediction tool. Set the forecasting period based on your business needs, typically between 1 to 3 months. Adjust any parameters to customize how predictions are generated according to your sales patterns. Save your settings to activate the demand prediction feature. Monitor the predictions regularly from the dashboard for insights on upcoming inventory needs. Utilize the predicted demand data to optimize your inventory orders and reduce stockouts. Review sales trends and adjust your inventory strategy based on the supplied predictions. Keep an eye on the performance metrics provided by Square to refine your approach over time. Stay informed about any updates to the AI demand prediction feature for potential enhancements. That's how to configure Square for retail with AI demand predictions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.